Yo, what's good with y'all? Hope y'all all doing well. I haven't posted in what, 2 days now? Well, actually been 4. I didn't post Thursday and Friday when I should have. But Thursday and Friday took 0 trades, and I honestly just been enjoying my break. Needed a little mental reset. I've been over exerting myself mentally recently, honestly. So took a little break. Been watching Bleach. Started a new joint. I already finished One Piece for the most part. Did Naruto and a whole bunch of other shit. So Bleach is next, and I'm going to complete the whole big 3. Okay, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna do a quick little review over Thursday and Friday price action and go over what I expect coming into next week. So now, let me know. Let me make sure I'm in the right place. I am. All right. So this was Thursday's outlook. Daily cycle sequential at the lows and at the highs. As you can see, one at our lower day to protect our lower day, and one at our higher day after taking our hourly market maker buy model for a second stage reaccumulation high, which is right here, referring to this market maker buy model. As you can see, original consolidation, first stage, second stage, SMR, low risk buy, and now we're essentially taking this second stage reaccumulation and now making a small pullback for our first stage redistribution to then shoot higher. It was the overall idea. So now for longs, our lower day was overall protected, and this could be, as I said before, retracement for our first stage redistribution. So as long as bearish structure continued, then I was looking to continue to possibly our previous day lows, or even this low, or a range in between here, or just our lower day, honestly. The only thing about this day was that we formed this sequential at the highs. Everybody took London lows, so there's no possible another DC to be made, and we was already overall completed a bearish move, so we was in a bad range overall on Thursday. But like I said, SMT right there, SMT right there. Let me pull up my MES. Do I got a fucking charger? Just on the charger, so it's lagging. All right, we good. Drop down to 1 minute. Let this shit run for a little bit. And bang. Ooh, almost got it perfectly. But price opens up, Nebula's lower and higher, no real direction at all. And then price just honestly bullshits around for a little bit. Doesn't go anywhere, just straight accumulation. Yes, NYM kinda moving somewhere slightly, but nothing notable here. Boom, then our 10 a.m. opens. We sweep these equal highs on NQ. Sweep the equal highs. No sequential S&T at the lows. So overall, this is our target. 10 a.m. opens right here. Like a manipulation at the lows, looking for manipulation at the highs, or for either side of the form. No manipulation on either side yet. Just letting the price play. RTM. It's like a little pullback, retrace, hit the bounce off the key open. Now from here, I was looking for this high to get swept and for us to send lower from here. Now the high did not get swept. It actually made a certain type of SMT, end up missing it. Would have realistically took a short right here at this candle. SL hit this high to then short all the way down here. But as I said before, I was looking for this high to get swept. Didn't pay this no mind. Why the fuck is this? There we go. But as I said before, I was looking for this high to get swept. The high doesn't get swept. It made a certain type of SMT at the highs that I missed. But should have took this trade right here. Was a great trade. Boom, boom. It runs the trade to take profit. But didn't take this trade. Overall missed it. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna look for longs from here. And we just chop higher. We engineer lows with our lower day. And then just chopped higher for we just, like, it wasn't clean price action. Overall, just wasn't clean price action. This was our cleanest move. Still was a pretty wicky move overall. So after seeing us move like this, I wasn't interested, and I just got off the charts on Thursday. Now let's go to Friday. Even the 15-minute, like, look at this. It's literal hell and Q hell right there. Like, let's go back to right there. So now Friday, monthly cycle, daily cycle, all at the highs. The lows has nothing to support it. Now we could, our 1 hour market maker buy model was completed on YM before NQ and ES. That means we automatically don't really have to complete the buy model on NQ and ES since YM already did it. And we had no possibilities to make any sequential SMT at the lows either, or at least high time frame sequential, as everybody swept everything at the lows. We just didn't sweep everything at the highs, leading to our daily cycle and monthly cycle at the highs. And for shorts, we already had this intraday bearish structure. Our lower day has no sequential SMT to prove to be protected, as well as we have little to no manipulation at these lows. And our higher day can be considered protected, as you know, this is what has the manipulation with SMT. Our low has little to no manipulation with no SMT. So that's basically what the high time frame narrative was. Now coming into 9:15, we came up, pumped all the way up. Daily cycle still holding. Where did we sit at within this market maker model? We actually swept both sides, our first stage and second stage reaccumulation. Now it's just the original consolidation from here, which is right here. There's also a devil's mark power 3 high right here that can be targeted, that I had my eyes on. Drop down to the 1 minute. Market opens, skyrockets higher, no SMT at the lows, just SMT at the highs. From here, can't take no long to go with our overall price because my setup is not there, as we have no SMT to confirm protected highs. Well, my setup is not there for longs because there's no protected lows. There's no proven protected lows according to how I trade, which is with SMT, which we lacked at the lows. So could look for possible shorts. There's no real short setup, and our price is overall still bullish, as you can see. So why would I short this? I don't know. I would be a maniac if I did. I was just looking for more short bearish structure, like how YM has this clean, or this clear bearish structure, and QES doesn't. Just shooting higher, potential short right here. Didn't take it. Why? Still overall bullish. Just waiting for a little bit more price. Came up. 10 a.m. opens. Drake's down. Little to no manipulation at right here. Honestly, could have rolled this short down to our 9:30 lows, but didn't do it. Now, from here, I don't even think. Yeah, we actually swept this low. Now, from here, my setup actually formed based off of price, but we had no QT, no time to confirm this trade. I would have took long right here, tapped into this gap. If we would have had sequential SFT on our higher time frame for our daily PO3. Let's take this one off. So now, if our daily PO3 would have had, SMT at the lows, and then our 1 minute would have had SMT at the lows, then I would have took this trade. but we lacked that high time frame SMT for our daily candle, for our daily PO3, and we lagged it for our 4-hour PO3. But the setup did form. Gotta stick to my rules. So it was a part of my rules, trading with that confirm protected stop, which we lacked. Now this was a overall good setup though. Could have put my SO like right here, or even at this low. Let's just say I put it right here, right underneath this gap, and believe it underneath this low. And could have just rolled it all the way up here and let price do its thing. As we did have a 10 a.m. devil's mark as well. It was honestly clear bullish action from here, but just lacked that SMT to prove the longs for my entry, my setup. But yeah, that's the recap of Friday and Thursday. Real simple days. Just lacked what I needed for a good setup on Friday, and I missed the good setup on Thursday. That's about it. Now from here, where do I expect price to go for the rest of the week, for this up and coming week, I should say? Move this. Now, as I stated before, market maker buy model. Oh shit. Market maker buy model. 1, 2. SMR. Reverse buy. First stage. And then second stage, basically. And then unicorn. 1 hour market maker buy model has been completed. Now from here, oh shit, just draw like these. Yeah, 1 hour market maker buy model completed. Wasn't the cleanest buy model at all, but still buy model completed. Huge overnight gap that we just formed. Now Monday is Memorial Day, so it's a big holiday. Not really expecting Monday to do much, but we have this 150 point gap. And as I stated in previous videos, I had my eyes on 30,000, which is a big figure number. Wanted to see price come up to there since we're at all-time highs. Looking for higher highs and higher highs. Looking for bigger numbers, higher figure numbers, essentially. 30,000 was on my eyes. We are almost at 30,000. Currently 100 points away. We're gonna get there without like ease. Is gonna be probably gonna do it overnight. Now our daily candle does have a devil's mark, so we could look for potential shorts coming into tomorrow and Tuesday, as that's one daily PO3 altogether. Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday, that's one daily PO3 altogether. So we could start looking for shorts towards this new week opening gap. And if we don't take this 30,000, we can look for something like these, or even us shooting down right to like at our Friday's low. Probably not gonna do it on Monday, but coming down, taking a low, making a weekly cycle sequential SMT, and then shoot higher and higher and higher until we get a proven bearish move down to, oh shit, I don't know what that was, till we get a proven bearish move to rebalance this unbalanced buy side delivery. This is our sell side delivery, this is our buy side delivery. Within this range is balanced as sell side and buy side are equal until we get to right here, about right here. All of this move is unequal. All this delivery is just straight buy side delivery, unequal delivery. Looking for about 50% of this range, which is still this daily was daily volume imbalance. Got my eyes on this whenever we do have a bearish move. Until then, I'm just looking for higher prices. Simple as that. And I'm looking for moves to create higher prices, whether that's lower higher or just higher, as we have seen in previous days. Higher. But yeah, that's the recap of Thursday and Friday, and what I expect coming into next week, as well as I think this is the last week of May. Yep, this is the last week of May. I'm going to re-look over what price did probably tomorrow, and I'll give out my outlook on it whenever I'm making another video. But till then, y'all stay safe and enjoy y'all days, nights, evening, whenever I watch this video. And I hope you have a great trading week. All right, stay safe.